Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Prasad. If you are new to my channel, please check out my playlist as well. I have uploaded RRB and TPC question papers as well. So without wasting your time, let's solve the question paper. So in this question they have given a cause and we have to check whether these three effects are true or false. A major train accident occurred at Katpadi Junction last night where 7 bogies of GT Express derailed and fell across the tracks. Many trains on the Katpadi to Chennai route are running several hours late today because first they have to clear the tracks because these 7 bogies have derailed and fell across the tracks. So the tracks will be not cleared. So this is valid. Long queues were seen at the railway ticket booking counters in Bangalore. So this is irrelevant because the cause is 7 bogies derailed at Katpadi Junction. So this is wrong. Railways have decided to run 2 holiday special trains between Kolkata and Patna. So this is also irrelevant. Only option 1 is possible effect. If each vowel in the word parking, P-A-R-K-I-N-G, so vowels are A-E-I-O-U, is changed to the letter following it in English alphabetical order. So A next letter B, I next letter J. Each consonant is changed to the letter following it in English alphabetical order. P after Q, R after S, K after L, N after O, G after H. Then which of the following letters will be third from the left? 1, 2, 3. Third from the left is S. S is the answer. An article is sold for X after offering two successive discounts of 25%, 8% on its market price. So we have to find the value of X. 500. First 25% discount. Then the remaining value is 75%. Next 8% discount. Then the remaining value is 92%. So this will be X. Zeros cancelled. 520s are 5 4s are 5 15s are 4 2s are 8, balance 12, 13. So 15 into 23. 5 into 23, 115. 1 into 23, 23. 345 is the answer. Which of the following statements refers to the law of conservation of energy? Energy can be converted from one form to another form of energy. So this is correct. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. So both is answer. 61 D. D means minus. 39 C. C means plus. Again C plus. So 62 A. A means divided by. B means into. So into 4. So this will be 31 times. 61 minus 39 plus 14. 61 minus 39, 22 plus 14 plus 31 into 4, 124. So this will be 36 plus 124. Answer 160. So by using this statement, we have to check whether the conclusion are true or false. All bees are insects. So if this is bees, all bees are insects. All bees are hives. So all bees are hives. Some hives are insects. Yes, this is correct. All hives are bees. No. All bees are hives. Not all hives are bees. So this is wrong. Only conclusion one is. Which organelle is found only in plant cells? Mitochondria. A, B, C, D, E, F. So total 6 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are sitting in a round table circular facing the center. E sits immediate right of D. So if this is D, right of D will be E. A is an immediate neighbor of B and D. So that means A, B, D or D, it will be B. So A should be immediate neighbor of both B and D. F sits second to the right of D. So this is D, second to the right means it will be F. So D should be immediate neighbor of A. So here already E is placed, then A will be here and B will be here because A should be immediate neighbor of both D and B. So the remaining letter is C. So C will be here. What is the position of C with respect to D? From right, it will be third. From left, it will be third. Check whether the options is given. So this is the only one given. Third to the left. Third to the right is given. Then it will be answer. Third to the right is not given. So third to the left is the answer. In the word bleach, Bleach, each consonant is changed to the letter immediately preceding it. So B minus 1, A, L minus 1, K, E, A. So these are vowels. C minus 1, B, H minus 1, G. Each vowel is changed immediately succeeding it. So E plus 1, F, A plus 1, B. Which of the following letters is repeated twice? So B is repeated twice. B is the answer. What constant speed should be maintained in order to reach a distance of 600 km in 10 hours? So D equal to distance 600 km, T equal to time 10 hours. We have to find the speed. Speed equal to distance divided by time. 600 by 10, 0, 0 cancel, 60 km per hour. We have to check the odd one out of this. VZ TX. So this is minus 2 and this will be minus 2. GK ZD. So minus 7. This will be also minus 7. Next CG VZ. So this is minus 7 and this is also minus 7. So these both are having same pattern. So that means this is the odd one out. The work done in moving 10 column charges across the potential difference of 5 volts is. So work done W equal to Q into V. So Q is column charges 10. Volts is 5. So that is 5 joules. 7 people. So 7 people sitting in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A sits fifth from the right end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth from right is A. Only 2 people sit between A and E. So here E is not possible. So E will be here. C is an immediate neighbor of G and E. So C, this will be G, this will be E, or this will be G, this will be C, and this will be E. If C is to the right of E, then G is not possible. So C will be here, G will be here. C is an immediate neighbor of G and E. So this is completed. B sits to the right of F. So here it is not possible. So B sits to the right of F. If this is F, B sits to the right of F. So the remaining is D. We have to find how many people sit between D and B. So this is B, this is D. In between there are 4 people. 4 is the answer. So we have to solve the question mark using the sequence. So check the options L, O, P, N. All the 4 numbers are different. B, D, F, H, J. So this is plus 2. So this is plus 2. So this is plus 2 and this is plus 2. Next J plus 2. That will be L. So this is the answer. The sequence is plus 2. Town L lies to the west of M. If this is M, to the west is L. Town D lies to the northeast of town L. If this is town L, northeast will be town D. Town A lies to the west of town D. So west of town D means, so this will be here, A. Town R lies to the east of town D. So east of town D is R. What is the position of R with respect to town L? With respect to town L, we have to find the position of R. With respect to L, it will be like this. So this is northeast. Which of the following statements are correct? Statements: a current carrying conductor acts like a magnet. So this is correct. Moving electrons perpendicular to the magnetic field do not experience any force. So this is wrong. Only statement 1 is right. 3 years ago, the average age of a family of 6 members was 19 years. So that means present. So this is 3 years ago. Now everyone will be 3 years old and the average will be 3 years plus. So 19 plus 3 is the average of total 6 members. So the total age of all the members is 22 into 6. So that is 132. So this is the age of all the family members now. Since a boy has been born and the average age of the family is the same today as it was 3 years ago. The average age of the family before was 19 years. So they are saying now it is same. So total members 6 plus 1. So 7. The average age is 19. So into 19. So it will be 63. 7 plus 1, 133. 7 members total is 133. 6 members total is 132. So the difference is the boy. Age of the boy is 1 year. Select the correct pair from the following options. Object's resistance to change its state of motion, inertia. X is related to 961. In the same way, 34 is related to Y. So this is 23 square. This is 24 square. This is 25 square. This is 27 square. And 961 is 31 square. So let us check with the options. Option 1. So 39. That means 39 minus 8 whole square. That will be 31 square. 34 minus 8, it will be 26. So this is not 26 square. Same for second option. 41 minus 10, it will become 31. So whole square. 41 minus 10 whole square, 31 square. 34 minus 10 whole square, it will become 24 square. That will be 576. Option 2 is the answer. The logic is minus 10 whole square. So the x minus 10 whole square, here 34 minus 10 whole square. Which of the following statements is incorrect about Rutherford's model of an atom? Electrons revolve around the nucleus in elliptical paths. So this is the wrong answer. A sum of money. So I am assuming I have 100 rupees. It will double in 10 years. So that means 200, which is for compound interest. Again it will double in 10 years. So that means it will become 400. Again it will become double in 10 years. So that means 800. Again it will become double. So this is 600 plus 10. So the ratio is 1 is to 16. So it has become 16 times. In how many years? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Total 40 years. Which department? Disaster Management Division organized the conference on experience sharing and capacity building in disaster management in August 2024. So DOT, Department of Telecommunication. CYBS is related to GWFQ in a certain way. C plus 4, Y minus 2, B plus 4 is F, S minus 2 is Q. So the sequence is plus 4 minus 2. We have to find SQ RK. So SQ RK plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. So S plus 4, it will be W. Q minus 2 O. R plus 4 V. K minus 2 I. So this is the answer. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding metals? Lead and mercury are comparatively good conductors of heat. In 2023, Garba was declared as an intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO. Which of the following states is Garba from? So Gujarat. So this is a kind of dance. In which of the following CFC is not used? Fire extinguisher. Two angles are complementary. I am assuming the angles A and B. So this will be 90 degree. The larger angle is 6 degree less than the 5 times the measure of smaller angle. assuming this has larger angle and this has smaller angle. So A equal to 5b minus 6 degree. So substitute A value here, it will be 5b minus 6 degree plus b equal to 90 degree. 5b plus b, 6b, 90. So this minus, if it comes to the right side, it will become plus. So 96 degree. So this is 16 times. B equal to 16 degree. Then A equal to 90 minus 16 degree. 74 degrees is the answer. IIT Bombay and TCS have partnered to develop India's first quantum diamond microchip imager. Using this statement, we have to check whether the conclusions are true or false. All oceans are rivers. So all oceans are rivers. Some rivers are ponds. So some rivers are ponds. So they haven't specified any relation between oceans and ponds. So don't mix them. All ponds are oceans. All ponds are oceans. So there is no relationship between them. Some oceans are ponds. There is no relationship between them. So this is also false. So neither is the answer. In 2024, which company entered into a memorandum of understanding with iCreate to promote AI startups in India? Microsoft is the answer. Which of the following will be formed when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a beaker having copper oxide? A solution with a green color is formed due to the formation of copper chloride. The Sangameswara temple had been submerged in the backwaters of Srisailam project due to heavy rainfall in the monsoon of 2024. This temple lies on the banks of which river? Krishna is the answer. Using this graph, we have to solve the question. The average number of students participating in sports and yoga. So sports is 25. Yoga is 15. So the average means divided by 2. Total 40 divided by 2 means 20. 20 is the answer. The particle size of a solution is smaller than 1 nanometer in diameter. The relation between focal length f, object distance u, and image distance v in the case of reflection of light by a spherical mirror is given by 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this is the formula. Amrita age is 2 years older than her friend Amrita. So this is small a. Amita's father is twice as old as Amita. So father equal to twice as old as Amita. And Amrita is twice as old as her sister. So small a equal to 2 into sister s. The ages of Amita's father and Amrita's sister differ by 43 years. Father will be the older one. So f minus s equal to 43. We have to find the sum of ages of Amita plus Amrita. So small a plus capital A. So substitute f value as 2a. S equal to a divided by 2. So a divided by 2 equal to 43. So 2 into 2a, 4a minus a divided by 2 equal to 43. 4a minus a equal to 86. Substitute capital A equal to 2 plus a. So 4 into 2 plus a minus a equal to 86. 8 plus 4a minus a equal to 86. 3a equal to 78. Then a equal to 26. So small a is 26. Capital A equal to 2 plus a. So that means 28. So 28 plus 26. Total 54. 54 is the answer. Simplify the following expression. I will simply check a square, b square, c square. So in the given options, a square is not given. So in the given options, b square is present. So I will check bb as well. 2b into b, it will be 2b square. Here ac, so this won't be. Here b square is, so plus b square. That means 3b square should be available. So this is 3b square. Here 3b square. So there is no 3b square in these two options. So these two are eliminated. Next c square. Minus c into minus c, it will be c square. Here only one c. So c square is not possible. Check options for c square. So there is no c square in option 1. So here c square is present. So this is the answer. We have to pick the odd one out. G is 7, M is 13, J is 10. So that means plus 6 minus 3. B is 2, which is 8. F is 6. So plus 6 minus 2. K is 11. Q is 17. N is 14. So plus 6 minus 3. So option 1, option 3 follows the same pattern. Option 2 is not following the same pattern. So this is the odd one. We have to solve the question mark using the logic. 184 plus 58. So it will be 242. So this is plus 33. This is plus 58. This is plus 33. This is plus 58. So the next number will be plus 33. 424 plus 33. 457 is the answer. So the logic is plus 58 plus 33. Based on the above, how is Q related to T? So that means we have to find this only. Ignore P. Q minus R. Minus means brother. So Q is the brother of R. R into S. Into means wife. So R is the wife of S. S divided by T. So S is the father of T. How is Q related to T? Q is T's mother's brother. That means uncle. In our body, brain, spinal cord together constitutes the central nervous system. The average of first 30 natural numbers is, so formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So the average means into 1 by 30 because 30 natural numbers average. So here n equal to 30. So that means 30 into 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 30. 30 30 cancel. 31 by 2 means 15.5. Which of the following organization is responsible for development of long-ranged glide bomb LRGB? Gaurav tested it in August 2024. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. A trader lost 20% by selling a watch for 1024. So this is 80%. We have to find it 100% because 100% is the cost price. 100 divided by 80. So this will be reversing it. 0 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8. Balance 22. So 2 times the balance will be 64. 8 times. So 1280 is the cost price. What percentage will he gain by selling it for 1472? So the difference will be profit because selling price is greater than cost price. So that is 192. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. So 0 0 cancel. So that will be 1920 divided by 128. So this will be 15 times. 15% is the answer. The book authorized by Vijay Lokpalli and Virat Kohli in the year 2023 is Driven, the Virat Kohli story, revised and updated World Cup edition. The angle of elevation of the top of a small tree. So this is the small tree. Angle of elevation from the top of a small tree means, so this is the angle which is 300 meter away from the foot of the tree. So this is the foot of the tree 300 meter away. So this is the angle of elevation which is 30 degree. 300 meter is the distance. When the tree grew taller, so it has grew taller, the angle of elevation become 60 degree. So this is 60 degree now. By how much did the tree grow? So we have to find the distance. So I am assuming this as x and this as y. So only base is given. We have to find the perpendicular side. So the formula for this will be tan 30 degree equal to 1 divided by root 3, that equal to perpendicular by base. So x by 300. Then x equal to 300 divided by root 3. 300 can be written as 100 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 cancel, x equal to 100 root 3. Next tan 60 degree. So this is root 3, that equal to x plus y divided by 300 meter. So if x plus y equal to 300 root 3, we have to find y. Y equal to 300 root 3 minus 100 root 3. So it will be 200 root 3. The angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 2 is to 5 is to 7 is to 10. So total will be 360 degree. So the total ratio is 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 10 24. So divided by 24. We have to find the difference between greatest and smallest. So greatest and smallest means 10 minus 2. So this is the difference. 360 divided by 24 into 8. So this is 3 times. So this is 120 times. So that is 120 degree. The 2024 Philately Scholarship Scheme was launched by Department of Posts under the Deen Dayal Sparsh Yojan. 7 boxes A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So kept over one another but not necessarily in the same order. G is kept third from the bottom. So this will be G. Only 2 boxes are kept between C and E. So C, 2 boxes are kept between them, and this is E. A is kept immediately above D. So D immediately above D means, so it will be A. D is kept at one of the position above G. So D should be above G. That means D should be in one of these places. Only 2 boxes are kept between B and E. So there is already 2 places here. Then other 2 places it will be B. B is not kept at the topmost position. So this place is not for B. I am assuming C at the top. So 2 spaces gap E. Again 2 spaces gap. It will be B. Because B should not be at the top. Next 2 spaces A, D. The remaining letter is F. We have to find how many boxes are kept between D and B. So this is D. This is B. In between 3. E, G, F. So 3 is the answer. Who coined the term protoplasm for the fluid substance of the cell? Perkin G. In a certain code language, lost in space is written as VP, DC, EZ. Never get lost is coded as GB, EZ, CY. So look at the common. So lost is common. Here EZ is common. So we have to find the code language for lost. So EZ is the code language for lost. The tax on a commodity is reduced by 10%. So I am assuming the tax rate is 50%. If it is reduced by 10%, so 10% on 50 is 5. So the new tax percentage is 45. But its consumption is increased by 20%. Suppose I am consuming 100, then plus 20. The new consumption will be 120. So previously I am paying on 100, 50% means 50 rupees. At present, I have to pay 120 into 45%. That will be 54. 120 into 45%. 26 are 25 are. So 5 9 times. 6 into 9, 54. So we are paying 4 rupees extra than previous. So the profit percentage is 4 divided by 50. That means 8%. So 8% is the increase in tax revenue. In the word hypnotic, HIPNOTIC, each letter of the word is changed immediately succeeding it in English alphabetical order. H next letter I, Y next letter Z, P next letter Q, N next letter O next letter P, T next letter U, I next letter J, C next letter D. And then the new group of letters thus formed is rearranged according to English alphabetical order. We have to arrange this in ascending order. D, I, J, O, P, Q, U, Z. Which letter is second to the left in the new arranged group of letters? Second to the left is I. I is the answer. Why does carbon make a stable compound? Due to small size carbons forms strong bonds. So we have to interchange two numbers. 46 plus, I am going to interchange this, plus 44 minus 12 plus 19, that is 31 into 2 plus 38 into 6 plus 24 divided by 4. 46 plus 44 90 minus 31 into 2 62, 38 into 8 228 plus 6, 90 minus 62 28, 228 plus 6 234, 28 plus 234 262. So this is the answer. We have to solve the question mark using the sequence. So the first word is same for everything. So check the second word, C I, C I O U A. So C plus I means, so it will be plus 6. Next plus 6. O plus 6. Next plus 6. Next A plus 6. A plus 6 means G. So G is the second letter. First letter is common for everything. So EG. So this is eliminated. Next word DG. D, J, P, V, B. So D plus 6, J plus 6, P plus 6, V plus 6. Next B plus 6. So B plus 6 means it will be H. So only one option is available. Third value is H. This is the answer. So the logic for every word is plus 6. Select the incorrect pair regarding asexual production. Hydra multifusion is the incorrect pair. If 584 square is equal to 3,41,056, we have to find the square root of 34.1056. Point after 4 values. So that means it can be written as 341056 divided by point after 4 values. So 4 zeros. Square root. We have to find the square root of it. So if 584 square equal to this, then square root of 3,41,046 equal to 584. Square root of 10,000 is 100. So 584 divided by 100. So point after two values, 5.84 is the answer. So we have to solve the question using these similar patterns as these two. 11, 44. So this is 2. 6, 54. 11 into 4. So this is 6 into 9. Check the relation between this 4 and 2 and this 9 and 3. So 2 square equal to 4. Here 3 square equal to 9. So that means 2 square into 11 equal to 44. Next 3 square into 6. That equal to 9 into 6, 54. So let us check the options. 4 square into 2. So that is 16 into 2, 32. So same sequence is applied here. So option 2 is the answer. Which of the following statements is are correct? The mass of an object is the same as its weight. So this is wrong. The mass of an object is not the same as its weight. So this is correct. Mass is scalar quantity, whereas weight is vector quantity. So this is also correct. Statement 2 and 3 is the answer. The radius of a cylinder is 5 centimeter more than its height. So R equal to 5 plus H. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 792 centimeters square. So CSA equal to formula 2 pi r H. So CSA is 792. Pi is 22 by 7 into R value 5 plus H. H is H only. 22 3 times 66. Balance 132. So that is 6 times. So this is 18 times. So 5 plus H into H equal to 18 into 7. So let's convert it as H into H plus 5. So this can be written as 9 into 14. So H is equal to 9. Then H plus 5 will be 14. So H equal to 9. Then R equal to 5 plus 9, that is 14. We have to find the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder pi r square H. So that equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 9. So this is 2 times. 22 into 2, 44. So 44 into 14 into 9. So let us check the unit digits. 4, 4, 9. 4 into 4, 16. That means unit digit 6. So 6 into 9, 54. So unit digit will be either 4 only. So this is eliminated. This is eliminated. So divisibility rule 9. So total should be either 9 or 9 multiple. 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4. So that will be 7 plus 9, that is 16. So this is also wrong. So this is 18. So this is the answer. So don't solve the whole thing. Just follow the divisibility rule. It will be easy to solve it. Select the correct balanced equation. Option for the reaction Fe plus H2O, Fe3O4 plus H2. 3Fe plus 4H2O, Fe3O4 plus 4H2 is the answer. In a certain code language, LOBE is coded as 2653. BORE is coded as 6823. We have to find L. So OO common, here 22 common, BB common, 66 common, EE common, 33 common. So remaining L equal to 5, R equal to 8. We have to find L. So L equal to 5. The HCF of a set of coprime numbers is equal to 1, because coprime numbers don't have any common number except 1. From a 2.25 liter mango drink bottle, how many small glasses of 45 ml can be filled? So 2.25 liter means 2.25 into 1000 ml. It will become 2250. So how many glasses of 45 ml will be filled? So that is 2250 divided by 45. So this is 50 times. So 50 glasses can be filled. Ravi and Kumar are working on an assignment. Ravi takes 6 hours to type 32 pages. So per hour 32 divided by 6. While Kumar takes 5 hours to type 40 pages. So Kumar 40 pages 5 hours. So 1 hour it will be 8 pages. How much time will they take together on two different computers to type an assignment of 110 pages? So total 110 pages. R can type 32 by 6. K can type 8 pages. Take LCM, it will become 32 plus 48 divided by 6. So 110 remains same. So 110, this will go to the top, divided by 32 plus 48, 80. 0, 0 cancel. So this is 3. This is 4 times. So 33 divided by 4. So 8 times 1 by 4. So 8 times 1 by 4 means 8 hours 15 minutes. So this is the answer. Which sexually transmitted disease are caused by virus? Syphilis and AIDS. DEF is related to CDE. DEF. CDE. -1, -1, -1. So here MNO. LMN. So the same -1, -1, -1. So the logic is -1, -1. We have to find UVW. So UVW is TUV. So this is -1, -1, -1. The same logic is applied. This is the answer. In October 2023, Prime Minister Narendra Modi formally announced India's interest in bidding for the 2036 Olympics at 141st IOC session. When 10% of the inhabitants of a village died of cholera, a panic set in. So I'm assuming the total village population as A. If 10% has died, the remaining will be 90%, during which 25% of the remaining inhabitants left the village. So that means out of this, 75 will be the remaining. The population then reduced to 4050. So this is 4050. 0, 0 cancelled. 25 3s are 25 4s are 9 4s are 36. Balance 4. So 45. 9 5s are 45. So this is 0. 3 150 times. So A equal to 150 into 10 into 4. So that is 6000 is the total population. Magnification produced by a spherical mirror is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object. India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index CPI improved from 85 in 2022 to 93 in 2023. The sum of length, breadth and height of a cuboid is 38 cm. So L plus B plus H equal to 38 cm. The length of its diagonal is 22 cm. So diagonal equal to square root of A square plus B square plus C square, that equal to 22 cm. We have to find the total surface area of the cuboid, that equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So A square plus B square plus C square equal to 22 square, that equal to 484 centimeter square. So A square plus B square C square means L square plus H square plus B square. So we know the formula L plus B plus H whole square. So it will become L square plus B square plus H square plus 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So that will be 38 square equal to 38 into 38. So we already found that L square plus B square plus H square equal to 484. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL equal to 38 square minus 22 square. So this is 1444 minus L square plus B square plus H square, that is 484. So the answer is 960 centimeter square. What is the effect of heating on the rate of diffusion? It increases with the increase of temperature. 25 divided by x equal to x divided by 36. We have to find the value of x. So cross multiplication, x square equal to 25 into 36. Then x equal to square root of 25 into 36. Square root of 25, 5. Square root of 36, 6. 5 into 6, 30. So 30 is the answer.